Welcome to my channel, good people. Today, I will talk about a company with the name Future Fintech Group and the ticker symbol Ftft. So, what makes this business venture unique? Good question. Well, the Future Fintech Group has a very well diversified business portfolio. And I think it is a buy. Stay tuned. Let me tell you more why you should invest in this company. Grab some water and then subscribe. Okay, before I proceed, let me quickly look at the summary of the company, the stats. Well, what do we have? We have market cap at 328.96 million. Share presently out at 59.54 million. The volume trading say 62 million on average of 10-day average volume trading. Okay, dividend. None as of today. Maybe in the future. Okay, moving on. I think you want to know the company economic moat. Okay, stay tuned. You see, the company is very much engaged in research, development, and application of blockchain technology. Well, to inform you, the company economic moat also covers a wider business spectrum, ranging from a shopping platform, chain cloud mall, which is based also on blockchain technology, an online cross-border e-platform, a blockchain-based application incubator, and a digital payment system, and to the application and development of blockchain-based e-commerce technology and financial technology. Besides, the company is also involved in the production of sale of fruit juice concentrates and fruit beverages. Wow, this is very impressive. Okay, if you care to know, with the strategy of diversified business across diverse business spectrum, the company, Future Fintech Group, will be able to minimize the risk of loss. Meaning, if and when one investment performs poorly over a certain period, other investment will likely perform better over the same period. Well, if you ask me about it, I say it is an effective management strategy. Why? Because the company is not concentrating all the capital under one type of investment. Meanwhile, let us examine a few of the company business portfolio. Well, you see, in the recent development, bear with me, let me pull it up. Let's look at some of their partners. Well, in the recent development, Future Tech acquires Bitcoin farm called Naim Ribensi in China. I hope I pronounced that well, forgive me. The seller guaranteed that the net profit of the company, which is Najim, shall not be less than 15 million RMB for 2021, 20 million RMB for 2022, and 25 million RMB for 2023. The seller also guaranteed that the target mining farm will maintain normal operations for at least 6 to 8 years. Besides, if you care to know, you see, and Future Fintech has signed a strategic cooperation agreement with major shareholders of Shenzhen SOSB Technology to form a joint venture titled Ftft Capital in Dubai Limited to provide services and solutions in the global digital currency business. The company, listen to this, will make cash contribution of 5.5 million for 55% ownership of the Ftft Capital Dubai, and the shareholders of Shenzhen will contribute 80% of their equity interest in Shenzhen SOSB to Ftft Capital Dubai, meaning Shenzhen SOSOB asset include intellectual property rights worth 4.5 million. Say 45% ownership. However, I think you would like to know the downside of this company? Well, just like many starts up, this is a speculative company with very peculiar problems. Meaning, for now, we may not see consistent growth in sales and revenue, with cash flow from an operation, net income consistent over some years. Nonetheless, I think the company is well positioned to turn things around within a few years. And then at the present price of $5.53, I think this is a good buy. I will buy the dip. Please do your research. And I like to say this, I'm not financially incentivized by Fintech Future to showcase them. This is a review for my subscribers and my viewers. Okay, here comes the best part. Our target is 500 subscribers. Remember that. Meanwhile, the goal is to generate wealth, build companies, and create jobs. Subscribe so that we can reach this target. My people, we can do it. Good people, let's subscribe. Bye now. See you soon.